Good morning. Welcome back to a Sunday in my life, Sunday reset, Sunday vlog. I'm getting my morning started with ordering groceries, and we have learned that we need to order them super early. Like if it's not before 12, then we're not going to be able to get like the full grocery list that we need. The last few Sundays that we've ordered, the orders have come in very incomplete because like missing a lot of things, because obviously it's Sunday, everyone's shopping for groceries. So it's currently 8:56, so I think that I can hopefully get everything that I need. Basically what I do to order my groceries, or like to know what we're gonna eat, is I look on TikTok. I love trying new recipes, I love trying new things. So I just look on TikTok, look what's on there, and then anything that I like, I'll make a list of the ingredients that we need and then we'll order it. What I love about being able to order it like here on Instacart is I can just hop over to the fridge to double check if we have that already so I don't overbuy. But yeah, I'm gonna order our groceries for the week. Gonna try to keep our healthy recipe stride going. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Ordered. Now I need to tackle this mess because Sundays I love to content plan for the week, but I tend to be a little bit clouded in creativity when like my space is a mess. Like what is that doing there? I'm gonna spend the next however long it takes me to get this space organized, because it's like top priority right now. So I'm gonna organize all of this, and then I can content plan and possibly create some content today because I'm a little bit behind. Sundays are actually reserved for content creation. Today I'm not 100% sure if I'll be able to create a ton of content because we're going out with some friends later this afternoon, but I want to clean my space up just to get my creativity just like organized, and if I have time then I'll create a few things, but if not then we'll just keep the day moving. But first on the list, I really need to tackle this room. So while I do so, I'm gonna watch the State of Texas versus Melissa. I only have 7 minutes left. I'm almost done with it, but I really want to finish it. It's such a good documentary. Groceries are in. I actually just finished cleaning upstairs, so perfect timing. I was just gonna get started on publishing today's video, but I'm gonna put you guys on some gems that we picked up. So we did our grocery shopping at Wegmans today for this week. I got this cauliflower rice. Looks promising. I haven't tried it, but this is something new that we're gonna try out. This is just a few things we got. I don't want to bore you guys with the whole entire haul, but I'm gonna share with you guys some like gems. I got this Italian chicken sausage. I love having this for breakfast. Honey, this with spinach, eggs, like scrambled, and some peppers, and then as breakfast tacos, like on corn tortilla. These are my favorite snack. I literally have one of these every day, but I only ordered 2 because I'm trying to cut back. I just feel like too much of anything is not healthy, so I only have 2. I'm gonna have 2 this week, but it's the Quest protein chips. Did you just fart?
No.
Oh. It's the Quest protein chips, and they have 20 grams of protein in them, and they're really, really good. Like, they don't taste like anything like diet type. They're really good. I also picked up a ton of my favorite protein bars. These are so yummy. They're the one protein bar, so I got this flavor, which is the donut flavor. This flavor is really good too, birthday cake. And this flavor is so yummy. Blueberry, what is it? Blueberry cobbler is really good. But I picked up these because I have one of these every day and I'm okay with that. Eric also loves these too, so I picked up quite a bit for us. This is a new one that I've never tried, but I picked up chocolate chip cookie dough. I imagine that it'll be super yummy because all their bars are really, really good. The last thing I want to put you guys on to, these, I actually mentioned this in my recent video that went up today, my like realistic Monday in my life. These yogurt bars are so good. This is my favorite flavor, chocolate chip cookie dough. They're only 100 calories per bar and they have 5 grams of protein. They have different flavors, mint chocolate chip, vanilla chocolate crunch. I haven't tried the other ones, but this is my favorite one. They're really yummy and they satisfy that sweet tooth for me after every meal. Okay, so I'm about to put all of these groceries away. Office is clean. It feels so much better in here. It's a little messy here because I've been working on some things and I have to go return this at Ulta and I don't want to forget it, so I'm putting it by my bag, but the room is nice and clean. So we're headed to hang out with some friends. I did my makeup and I changed. I didn't shower because I showered last night and I'm gonna do like a bath tonight, hopefully, because I really want to get some reading in. So I'm going to do a bath later tonight, but we are meeting up some friends at a local brewery. We're going to go to like a pop-up shop that some local businesses are having at a brewery. So we're going to go do that. It's like 12:30. So I got quite a bit done, thankfully. Groceries, I cleaned the room. Wasn't able to create content and I don't think that I'm going to be able to create today, which is fine. All that means is I'm going to have to weave it into my work week. So yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. It's gloomy outside. It is quite gloomy outside, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it is raining. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this trench coat, this cropped like muscle tank from, I think it's Pretty Little Thing. These trousers from H&M. They're so comfortable, I love them. This bag from Amazon, my Air Forces, and yeah, I'm like comfy and I'm wearing a trench because it's pretty gloomy outside. Got home from hanging out with our friends. We had a great time. We were there for a few hours. It's now 6 o'clock and we went to to Target to pick up a few things that we needed for the house for Eric to continue cleaning. So I got some Starbucks because I feel a little fatigued. I need like an evening day pick-me-up because I still have a bit of things to do. So I got an iced Americano with 2 pumps vanilla and half and half. But I'm opening up some packages that I got while I was out, and I got a package from Liquid IV. They sent over a few of their items and we love Liquid IV here. I haven't been drinking the whole month of April, but when I was drinking before, I would literally chug a whole thing of Liquid IV before drinking and at the morning after, and I would feel like literally fine. Like I would feel like $1 million. So I'm excited because I got that, which is the hydration one. That's the one that we usually do before we're going to be drinking. Even if it's like a light amount of drinking, we still like to take the hydration multiplier because I feel like it combats any like hangover type symptoms. But I also got their energy multiplier, which I'm excited to try this out because I feel like this might be a great replacement for like energy drinks. So I got that, and then this one is also a hydration one, but it's for immune support. So immune, energy, hydration. If you guys are interested in trying out Liquid IV, you guys can use my code Maria.Suazo with 2 O's, and you can get 25% off their entire site and free shipping. So I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to try out anything from Liquid IV. Highly recommend. And they came right on time because you guys know I'm doing this April challenge where it was no alcohol, but May might have a drink here and there, so it's gonna come in very handy. And then I got a package from Amazon, which I ordered some organization things for my closet because it's a bit of a mess. I got this organizer. This is for my sunglasses. I'm gonna put this on top of my like this little table that I have in the office closet, and I'm gonna put my sunglasses in here. And then I got this hat organizer. It's like a hanger to organize your hats because that closet is a mess. I'm probably gonna tackle that another day because I've done enough organizing for today, and last night I spent a lot of time cleaning all of upstairs, like our bathroom, our room, and everything. So Eric's gonna help me clean the middle floor, and all I wanted to clean today was the office, which I did. So I'm gonna save this organization for tomorrow, but yeah, that came in the mail as well. So I just want to open these up. I think I'm gonna hang out in the morning room for a bit, work on finalizing the YouTube video to go up today because I wasn't able to finish it on the way to the brewery, and then I'm gonna content plan, and then I'm gonna take a nice bath. Relaxation, and I think I'm gonna wash my hair tonight because my hair wash day is usually on Mondays, but I think I'm gonna wash it tonight because tomorrow I have kind of a long day, so I want to save time, and it's pretty early. It's been quite the productive day, so I'm all done with my work, like what I wanted to get done today. And it's about 8:30, so I have like a few hours left in my evening, so I think I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna run a bath so I have time to wash my hair, tone it, condition it, do all that good stuff. And I will leave my hair routine linked here because I have a full video on how I like take care of my light hair at home. The conditioner I use, shampoo, the toner that I use at home that really helps get out like the brassiness in my hair. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna be reading in the bath my current favorite book. You guys have probably heard about it, but it's from Colleen Hoover. It's called It Ends With Us, and my niece put me onto this author, and this book is a romance book, and I'm very, very invested. So I think I want to read a few chapters while I just enjoy a bath. And before I go into wash my hair, I think I'm going to read a few chapters of this, and then I'm going to watch an episode depending on how long the episodes are. But I think I want to watch an episode of the Marilyn Monroe documentary on Netflix on my phone while I do my hair. Because guys, I think, if I'm not mistaken, my hair my hair washing process can take anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes, which is insane, I know, because it's like, I feel like it's a lot of water, but that's why I only do it once a week because I don't have that kind of time. So I'm gonna do that, and so I'll go ahead and watch an episode while I do my hair. But first I'm gonna do my, I'm gonna take my makeup off and wash my face, and then I'll get started on my bath.
documentary, and I did my hair. Well, I didn't do it, but I just washed my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it in the morning, but that's basically my entire day. It actually took me quite a while to wash my hair as I expected. It's already 10:50, so I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed so that I can get a good early start to my day tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.